It's orange chicken night with Haley. Teach you how to make orange chicken. Orange chicken with Haley or Haley with orange chicken. So this is garden orange chicken, Costco, $11.99. We got 3 bags. Amazing deal. What?
It's vegan.
It's vegan orange chicken, not real orange chicken. See, chick and come. So we're gonna make this. So let's go over to here. You could either do pan or crooked. Spray the pan before the orange chicken's even on here, but we already did that. Put the orange chicken on here, and now we're gonna wait 10 minutes for the oven to preheat. Let's go over here to 425. Right now it's at 155, so we have like a 330 to go. Yeah. This is okay. Problem uno. We're making orange chicken and we're gonna make it with rice, but we don't know how to make rice. And flash forward to what rice looks like when you actually make it. You see that is a nice fluffy texture. For tender fluffy rice in 3-quart saucepan, 2 cups of water for 1 cup. What is that? 2 cups, that's what we need. 2 cups was too little.
Okay.
Now we're supposed to rinse it, so go around everyone.
We need a calculator.
5.
What's happening?
2.5 times 2 is 5.
2.5.
2.
Sure. All my people who watched the banana nut video. We recently bought chocolate banana almond protein drink from Costco. It's vegan. Highly recommend. It's chicken time. So why is it steaming? It's an oven. Alright. Yeah. Let's move on to orange chicken. And we just sauteed this for about 2 minutes with some orange chicken sauce. Sour sweet chicken sauce.
Orange chicken sauce.
Chicken sauce. And now we're going to put it together and see how we go. Here's a picture of me eating a banana. It's really cold. Alright. Oh my god. I'm kidding. Alright. Alright. Here we go. This was good. Highly recommended.